Hello my good people, your girl here again, Farida. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Whether you've been here since day one or you just clicked that subscribe button today, I'm truly grateful you're here. This channel isn't just about videos, it's about us. It's about building community where we can laugh, learn, grow, and have great time together. Every like, every comment, every share, it means more to me than you know. You are not just viewers, you are family. I started this journey with a simple dream and a lot of passion. Seeing this community grow is honestly one of the biggest blessings, and trust me, we are just getting started. There's so much more fun, creativity, and exciting content coming your way. So if you're new here, welcome to the squad. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, thank you for your loyalty and love. Make sure you stay tuned, turn on the notifications, and let's continue building something special together. I appreciate you all. Let's make magic happen. So today I'm going to make a brown ugali with green. As you can see, I'm washing them, and this is Nderema, guys. It's Nderema and some terere. You know terere? Mnajua terere? So hizo Nderema mimi mwenyewe nimezipanda kwangu. So nimezichuna tu kwangu. Sikuwa na time ya kuonyesha nikituna, lakini next time I will show you guys. So as you can see, I'm going to use the Jogo Wimbi, the brown one. Stay tuned as I take you through, my people. Cooking this ugali is not easy. It's very hard. But niling'ang'ana yangu yote nikaipika. Ni tamu sana jamani. So the recipe is very easy, my people. We have 2 big onions. We have the white one and the normal one. We have 2 big tomatoes, and we have ginger, just little, and we have garlic, just a little, and we have oil, and we have coriander, my people. 10. That's enough. It will give you what you want. you so much guys for watching this video up to this point. Kindly give me a like, comment for the YouTube to recommend my videos to many people. I don't take it for granted. Being here is a privilege. I forgot to tell you that we are going to unbox something, so keep locked, usitoke hapa sababu utapitwa na kitu kubwa sana jamani. Stay tuned so that you see what we are going to unbox, my people. Something amazing. Now it's time to unbox, my people. Are you ready? Are you ready for the surprise? Let's go. Enjoy watching. So mtu mwenye alipatiwa hiyo kitu tuna unbox, imagine hakuwa anajua kama niko nyuma yake. Nilikuwa tunamfuata. Nilikuwa namfuata mimi.
A few minutes later.
Betty, near my bedroom. I can't wait to show you my bedroom. I will be doing content from my bedroom, my people. I will make sure that I give you the best content ever. The best bedroom makeover. So keep locked.